Check in with Nick now, and it is already very cold outside right now.
Yeah, and we'll be back down below freezing again tomorrow morning for the third morning in a row in Austin. And this chilly air around sets us up for this potential wintry mix mixed with plenty of cold rain at the same time. And just a difference of a degree or two can make all the difference from just a chilly rain to a rain that actually leads to some icing. So still fine margins. We'll keep watching it for you, and any adjustments we need to make, we'll pass those along. A mainly clear sky outside in Austin now, but clouds will be thickening up late in the night, giving way to a mostly cloudy day tomorrow, although still some breaks of blue sky. I think we'll get enough sun, although very limited sun, to get us into the mid-40s here tomorrow. That'll be a little chillier tomorrow than what we had today because of the extra cloud cover around. So here is your Wednesday. Clouds up by dawn. Still some sunny breaks for some of us to begin the day. A few more of those into the afternoon, but mostly cloudy overall. More importantly, we're all dry all day long here tomorrow through 10 o'clock tomorrow night. Just a lot of clouds and a lot of cold in place. And you can see how your day breaks down. We start at 29 with a partly cloudy sky, then we turn mostly cloudy, 37 at noon, 44 at 4. Feeling a bit chillier thanks to still a little bit of a breeze. It's enough to bring those feels like or wind chill temperatures down to 21 at 7 and 41 here at 4. Let's break down the wintry weather timeline as we look from Wednesday night through Friday morning. That's the length or duration of the storm. We think Wednesday night through Thursday morning, scattered showers start arriving just after midnight Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Some hill country icing is possible, especially Thursday morning. Now, as we head through the rest of the day Thursday, temperatures will slowly rise. The rain will be widespread, and the heaviest and most widespread will come in the afternoon and evening, even some thunderstorms possible. And while most of us deal with plain rain during this period, it's still possible that some very spotty areas in the hill country could continue to see some icing concerns. And then Friday morning, really early in the morning, the rain ends. Should all be done by 6, although it's possible still some wet snowflakes mix in as this is pulling away. What's important to note is the low temperatures, at least for Austin, Thursday morning and Friday morning, should be above freezing, but slightly. Any mini dip in these expected low temperatures could add a little more of a wintry flavor into the metro. Here's how your Thursday looks. We start seeing that wintry mix of freezing rain or sleet in the hill country, but primarily rain in the metro and our eastern counties. That rain gets more widespread and heavier into the afternoon, and we'll start to see a shrinking of the areas seeing the wintry weather. But even the western metro may see some spotty freezing rain during the day on Thursday, even though it's primarily just a plain cold rain. Then we get to Thursday night, more of the same. Mostly it's rain, but still the potential for a little freezing rain or sleet in the hill country. And then things wrapping up into the early hours of Friday. So spotty icing in the metro. Western metro into the hill country, less than 1/10 of an inch of ice. Then we start seeing the icing concerns going a little higher as you head farther north and west. That may also be where we see our best chance of any light accumulation of snow. Northern San Saba County could see a coating, the rest of us just a few flakes. Most of us, it's just rain. 1 inch to 1.5 inches for most of us, a little on the lower end of that as you get into the metro. We dry out through the day Friday. A lot of clouds though, 45, but back in the sun and 50s on Saturday, 60 on Sunday. Then we're a little cooler Monday and Tuesday of next week.